Good morning, Rax. Today is Friday, April 10th, which makes today National Siblings Day.
Oh man!
Oh no, it's a good thing.
Crazy!
More like that. Probably been getting enough of your siblings if you live with them, but that's not a bad thing. Three big things to go over. Teachers are available for help, whether they're your content teacher or somebody else. We want to be able to help. Don't just expect teachers to do everything for you, but the work is available and help is available in this time. Don't just sit there and feel like you're helpless, because you're not. The fourth quarter starts on Monday, which means third quarter is ending right around this weekend. Get the work done. Don't wait till the last minute. And it is important to make sure your third quarter grade is good to set you up for the fourth quarter. And our coronavirus piece, even though it seems like things have been settling a little bit in terms of the national scale, even in New York, a lot of the New York thing centers around New York City. And everything that the medical professionals here in Monroe County, here in Rochester, have been saying is we have not seen the worst yet. Our peak is still a number of weeks away. Even I don't believe it. But that's what they're saying. We have to trust these medical professionals that dedicate their life to it. So even more than ever, stay away from others, because this is where it would get bad over the next few weeks. And when you look outside, there's reason to stay inside. Birthdays for the weekend. Happy birthday today to Destiny Mack. Happy birthday to Natasha McCoy. And happy birthday tomorrow to Big Joe Vasquez. That's all I got for today. Have a great weekend, Rax, and let's be ready to go. The fourth quarter starts on Monday.